check. We got a Colt OSB 3 frame, custom painted. Got some Merit Charlie Crumlish grips with the insert bar ends. We got some BSD Giraffic bars, held on by a Shadow Odin stem. We got a Shadow headset. We got some Primo Pro forks, painted blue. Got some stock E-claw wheel. Has a full front hub with dripping straight rim. We got two Colt sputter pegs, the original one, 4.2 inch on the left. And we got two Shadow slider dies on the right. We got a BSD Safari pedal. Index Sweet 4 crank. Got the Merit Pentagard sprocket. The Animal Hoder chain. Fit 24 bottom bracket. Back here we have a Odyssey clutch wheel with a BSD Donna Sweet in the back and a Merit slide wall in the front. And right here we have the SL1, black SL1, black leather from Merit seat post.
Calling me, talking about her window. Nigga, go find your boyfriend, cause all I did was fuck you. Nigga playing with me, knowing I'm a